Hey, I'm Susan Berkley with the Inside Voiceover video training blog. This week we want to talk about something that is so important for your voice acting, and it is relaxation. If you're all tense, as Jack Nicholson says, we can't access you, or actually you can't access yourself as an actor. So let's talk about some of the ways you can relax on the fly, because your body really mirrors your mental tension. So if you're finding yourself uptight behind the mic, you really got to take a quick look inside and say to yourself, what is going on? Why am I feeling this way? And sometimes if you just take a moment and kind of interiorize, you can get over it and it will really help you relax. Second thing is that mental tension always starts and shows up as physical tension. Always shows up as physical tension. A tight jaw, your voice sounds tense. So just like the singers, you really need to work on, some of those exercises. Like blah, 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 do this, whatever it takes to shake it out and loosen yourself up. Some other exercises you can do is, of course, to breathe deeply, roll your shoulders, shake it out. We're actors. We're supposed to look silly when we do our work, so loosen up. Nobody's watching, and even if they are, it's par for the course. They expect it from us. I hope you have a nice, relaxing week. I'm Susan Berkley, and I'll be back with more Inside Voiceover.